Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dolly, and this is going to be my very first ever uploaded video. And so, I was thinking, ano nga ba yung first kong ipapakita sa aking mga viewers? So, naisip ko, might as well, since this will be the equipment that you will be seeing in most of my videos, I'm going to present to you my stand mixer ANKARSRUM AKM6230. There you go. Kapag pinopronounce ko yung ANKARSRUM, parang feeling ko German na rin ako. Well, this product is made from Sweden and it has a very beautiful history. I-google nyo na lang po for you to know a little bit more about it. Okay, so yes, we bought this. We bought this product 2 days ago, and 2 days ago ko na rin siyang na-open yung kanyang box. Okay. But we set on the idea of buying this for 1 week. Because initially, this is not the kind of stand mixer that I would like to have. Ang gusto ko yung itinataas mo yung bowl niya kasi yun ang lagi ko nakikita na gamit ng mga professional. But the thing is, I get very much curious and I was pretty much satisfied with the research that we have done. So, I changed my mind and then bought this instead. Ano nga bang meron siya na wala sa mga iba? First is, ang mga normal na nakikita natin sa market, these are yung nafo-fold, nitataas mo ang kanyang tawag dito, yung nitataas mo yung upper part niya. Okay. And then the second thing that I was considering to have is yung bowl naman niya ang itinataas mo. So yung upper part niya, hindi yan nagagalaw, and then yung bowl na lang ang tinataas mo. And I think that is much more sturdier kesa naman doon sa nafo-fold, ganun. But then, ito naman, and I think it is very first technology na ganito in the market. Yung ball naman niya ang gumagalaw. Siya ang nagro-rotate. Now, disclaimer lang po, I was not paid to make this video. Neither I am trying to advertise this product kasi maski ako, I don't know yet the performance of it. The things that I know about this product are only coming from the information that I've read in the internet. So, yun lang po yun. I have not tested using it yet, maski na gusto ko for the reason na wala akong ingredients. Okay, yes. Even na gusto kong mag-rush to the supermarket nowadays, hindi ko pa rin siya pwedeng gawin because Kuala Lumpur is in lockdown as of the moment. Well, we are allowed to go within the district that we are living in, but the thing is, the figure of new cases had skyrocketed to almost 7,000 from 2,000 lang. Oh my God, it's so alarming that I don't want to go out and then buy my groceries. Well, kainin muna namin kung ano man yung mga food namin dito. And when things get better, I will go, buy, and then you will see me baking. Kasi ayaw ko na kung kailan pa naman available yung vaccine, doon pa kami mai-infect ng COVID-19. Okay, so health comes first, which should be the first priority of everyone as of the moment. So alright, ano pa nga bang inaantay natin? Let's get to know more about ANKARSRUM AKM6230. Ano nga bang meron siya? Ito ang kanyang user manual kung saan makikita natin kung paano nga ba ang paggamit. Paano ang pag-alaga para sa ganun tatagal siya. Paano ang paghugas. Lahat. And it comes with recipe and more. Actually, hindi lang siya recipe book. It comes then ng kanyang little history ang kanyang craftsmanship. It's quite interesting. Ayan. And dalawang position ng equipment na ito. Ito yung nakatayo at ito yung hindi pala nakahiga kundi nakatagilid siya. Ito ang kanyang mga accessories. And then the rest, they are recipes. And one thing about this, it comes with the instruction or it comes with the illustration kung ano na ang gagamitin mo. Pati na rin ang specific position niya. Yan. So, madali lang siya. Hindi ka mawawala. Yung mga ibang bread, mapapansin nyo dito na talagang ang gamit niya ay yung bowl, yung metal, tapos dough knife at saka yung dough hook niya. Depende kung gaano karami yung gagamitin mo na arena. Okay. Samantala, i-compare naman natin dito sa kanyang cupcake. Ito naman ang nagagamit. Yan. At andyan din ang kanyang position. Standing position daw. At bitter bowl ang kailangan mo at saka yung balloon whisk. Alright, it's time for us to know kung ano nga ba yung mga accessories. Alright guys, so ito ang kanyang stand. At kung makikita nyo, dalawa lang ang kanyang button. Ang isa, yun ang power on and power off niya. At meron siyang timer until 12 minutes. Itong isa naman, ito ang kanyang power. Meron siyang 8 power. That's very tough. Ang model na ito pwedeng dalawang position. Isang nakatayo at isang nakahiga. Kapag nakahiga, ito. Ang gagamitin mo at kapag nakatayo, ito naman. And mostly sa pagbe-bake, ito mostly ang ginagamit. At dito naman, ito yung mga pasta rollers. Diyan din yung meat mincer, yung grinder, grater, ganoon. Blender. Dito ikakabit ang kanyang mga hook. Ganyan. At dito naman yung knob niya kung saan pwede mong i-lock. Kasi ito ang nagagalaw. Sa mga butas na yan, dyan mo naman ihahang ang kanyang knife o ang spatula. Ito ang kanyang plastic bowl. And kaya ko dyan inilagay yung kanyang balloon whisk at saka cookie beaters kasi nakita ko na laging silang magkakasama. Ganyan. Malaki siya. At sa paggawa naman ng tinapay, ito ang normally na gamit. Ang kanyang metal bowl at ang kanyang dough roller, ang kanyang knife at ang kanyang dough hook. It comes also with a knife doon at yung cover. Ayan. So it basically comes with 8 accessories. Ayan na siya. There you go guys, that's ANKARSRUM AKM6230. And if you have any request of any cake or any bread na pwede natin gawin with it, please put it in the comment box below. Alright, so that's it. Stay safe everybody and stay sane. Goodbye!